This is our best room. It's spacious and well appointed. You'll love it. It's perfect for us. Here's money. The last money I have. Let's start building. Oh. I want to live here too. We have the best area for you. Hi, I'm Robert. Whoa, Carrie, let's go meet our new neighbor. I'm busy. I'll go say hi. Hello. Sorry, only VIPs are allowed. How rude is that? What is that? These supplies are no good for me. Whoa! It's just what I need for my house. That'll be the frame. And I'll build a strong wooden structure. Put boards over here. And here. Some more screwing. And the bed is done. Poor things.
Yeah!
You can just order it to be delivered. Show off. Cute chair.
Oh.
And my bed is done. Watch and learn.
Huh?
He's so mean. Whoa! My house will be made out of cardboard. Walls. Attach them nice and tight. And the roof. I'll draw on tiles so it looks nice. And I'll paint my bed by myself. My bed will be covered in money. And a money pillow will help me sleep. I'll make a lawn in front of my house. Sow seeds and water it. Plants are the best way to decorate a house. My bed will be the coziest. Fabric walls. A soft rug. Curtains. And my favorite painting. A beanbag. And a selfie. I can totally find something here. Money! More money! Here it is! A gold blanket! And now let's shop online.
Oh.
That's what I need. And a lamp. And wood.
Oh.
Hey! Hey! A red carpet and slippers to walk on it. Love it! I'll add a few cute things. There will be an accessory table here. Exotic plants would be perfect for upstairs. And some cozy lights. And I'll have a brick wall, even if I have to draw the bricks myself. And now let's take care of the fence. I'll cut it out of cardboard and glue it together. A cardboard pet. Light. Awesome. A nameplate. Carrie lives here. That's a rich sign. Hilarious! This is what a rich sign looks like. How dare he! I'll have to eat my stress away with candy. Why are your wrappers here? Hold on! I have an idea! I'll make a bright curtain out of wrappers. Whoa! A window will be over here. But I need a nice landscape. Done! Perfect! Painting is so dumb. I'll have a tablet instead of a window. And today, I'll be looking at the ocean. You are so funny. I'd rather enjoy this view. Where's my blanket? I have a delivery for this address, but who is it for? I'm confused. It's for me. There must be a puppy inside. No, that's my necklace in the box. Give it to me. My yacht is in it. A yacht won't fit inside for sure. That's my new stuff. I can't figure out who it's for. I'll just take it back. I'll pay. Just leave the package. Fine by me. The parcel belongs to me. Me! No, it's mine. Give it back. Nobody. I'll leave a surprise for the rich girl. That's gonna be hilarious. Huh? What? Who messed up my painting? Cardboard. It's gotta be her. Take this. I'll get revenge on you. What are you doing? You ruined my painting. It wasn't me. It was him. So funny. We need to teach him a lesson. No, don't. Untie me. Want to know the latest tea? Absolutely. What are they gossiping about? I wish I could hear it too. That's crazy. They're clearly talking about me. Roberta, your hair is gorgeous. This headband will look nice on you. What do we think about this style? And that's the hottest trend. You need a brighter shade, like this. No way! It's not happening! The cardboard TV is done. Putting Troom on. And I'll watch Troom on my tablet. My favorite video!
Oh.
Girls, join me!
Oh.
It's much more fun with friends and on a big screen.